Today I'm going to show you how to update your bathroom faucets without replacing them. Let's give it a try. Since updating my bathroom, our gold faucets do not match the decor in our bathroom. So instead of spending the money to replace them, we're going to go ahead and paint them. Before getting started, you want to go ahead and turn off the water to the faucet that you will be painting. For this particular project, I have decorative knobs, so we are going to remove them before we start painting. But if you would like your knobs to be the same color, you can skip this step. Before you paint, go ahead and tape off very carefully around the faucet, making sure to cover every piece of the sink around it to ensure that you do not get paint anywhere other than on the faucet. All right, now that we have everything taped off, we're gonna go ahead and put up a drop cloth so we can make sure to eliminate any overspray. And then we are gonna go ahead and put the primer on. Okay, to protect the countertops, we're gonna go ahead and cut a slit in the drop cloth. Using 220 grit sandpaper, we are going to go ahead and sand off the drain and the faucet before we paint. After sanding, I'm just wiping the faucet and drain off with a damp paper towel, and then we will paint. So it's finally time to paint. We are using the Rust-Oleum Automotive Primer. We are going to put a light coat of this on the drain and faucet, and then we will let it dry for 48 hours. Because the bathroom is not a well-ventilated area, please be sure to open a window if you have one and wear a respirator. Now that the primer is dry, it is time to spray paint. I am using a black satin color that matches the decor of my bathroom, but you can use any color that you prefer. Now that our faucet is painted, it is time to put the sealant on. We are using a high gloss seal. It is easier to clean, and so we decided to go with this finish. Now that we've let this dry for 24 hours, we're gonna go ahead and remove the tape and drop cloth and see our final product. I could not be more happy with the way that the faucet turned out. It is the perfect touch to the bathroom. It really completed the whole look. And I love that I got to save the original faucet knobs. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what problem you have in your home so we can try and solve it next.